it's Nancy here again, and today I'll be showing you how to make Suya shawarma. And I have a video on how to make Suya, it's right here, you can check it out. And I have a video on how to make Suya fries, it's also here, you can check it out after this video. So let's jump right into the preparation. So firstly, we are going to be making some crepes, which is the wrap for shawarma wrap. So if you have tortilla wrap, you can skip this. If not, let's jump right into the preparation. So on my list, I have 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can also use butter for this, melted butter, 180 ml of water, 2 eggs, 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, so let's jump right into the preparation. And in my bowl, I already have my eggs, salt, and sugar in my bowl. So I'll be adding in my vegetable oil. I will give this a quick mix. So we're going to mix everything to combine. And I'll be adding in my water, my powdered milk, and we're going to be whisking this till it is well combined. Like whisk it thoroughly till it is well combined. And to this, I'm going to be adding my nutmeg and my flour. So I'll give this a mix. I'll be using my spatula for this, but it is actually advisable to use your hand whisker for this, so you wouldn't have lumps in your batter. And that hand whisker will give you a smooth consistency. But behind the camera, I went ahead to use fork to whisk it to get a smooth consistency. Okay. And this is what it is when you are done. This is what you are expected to get. The consistency is a bit running. Okay, and in my pan, I'll heat up my pan a bit and I'll be adding in vegetable oil. Then I'll add in my butter, and I use a measuring cup of a quarter cup for this measurement. So I will have the same size of crepes, and I'm just using my spoon to move around the edge of the crepe so it to get loosened. Okay, so now it's free, so I can flip it all over. So I flipped it and I cook this for 1 minute. So you repeat this until you are done with your batter. Actually, this can serve as breakfast. Just roll it like this, but this is not where we are going to end. So let's go right into the shawarma process. And in my bowl, I have my grated carrots, my cabbage finely chopped, my cucumber finely chopped, and my onion. In fact, I was in a haste when I was doing this. Can you see the mixture? My onion is mixed with other things, and I added in my mayonnaise. So I'll be giving this a quick mix and arrange it together. And we are going to go back to the crepes we made earlier. So I'm going to be filling in the crepes now, and I'll add a little amount of vegetable, and I'll add in my suya that I made earlier, and it's well coated with suya spice. And I'll give this a fold. Just fold it. Look at how beautiful this is. Please, if you have watched till now, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying by. I really appreciate your effort. So we'll go ahead to put this in a pan and heat it up a bit. The both sides, and this is how it is looking. Please subscribe if you have not, and if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and please drop a comment at the comment section what you feel about this video. I will really be grateful to hear your comments and to respond. See you in my next one. Bye.